Okay guys, welcome back to part 3 for Maria, who is entry number 21. We just looked at her journal that she gifted to me. This gorgeousness right here with all her beautiful flowers. And now we're gonna get box, and then we could get into her memory decks. This is crazy. An entry with 3 parts. Oh my goodness, this is so insane. I am so spoiled now, guys. Maria has spoiled me rotten. So rotten that she just couldn't stand it. All I wanted was a memory deck. Memory deck card. From her. Oh my gosh, from all of you, really. That's all that is required. All that I want is just a memory deck card, but I can only imagine what's in this thing. I have no clue. And we're going to go and open this up. Like, seriously. This tape is coming off so perfect. Watch, I just jinxed myself in the very end, right? So, let's get into this. Oh, she did not. Oh, she did not. Oh my god. Look at what she made me. Oh my god. It says, "You are my sunshine." Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My mom, myself, I used to sing that to my daughter when she was a baby. Oh, Maria, Maria, Maria. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so in love. Listen, Linda, you have spoiled me. If that makes any sense. And look at what she did. She put the Velcros on the back. Like a smart cookie. Yes, I love it. Because the cut file, the SVG file, this was Buzzing with V and Carolina's like combination of a cut file. But it was, oh my gosh, I can't remember her name. I can't remember her name. The original creator of this, I've made so many now and I don't remember her name. Oh my gosh, forgive me. I will try to link her down below, but it's been a while. Look at her beautiful vending machine, guys. Let me pull this out. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Oh my goodness. What is that sound? Let me see. What could possibly be in the upper shelf of this vending machine? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, her wired beads. Oh. Are you kidding, Maria? Oh my goodness, look at these pearly, not pearly, doggone it, seed beads. I don't have those. I don't have, oh, I do have the pink ones. I don't have the white ones. Thank you so much. Oh my god, look at these. Gorgeous beads, gorgeous wire wrapping. She did a beautiful job. Look at this one. The deep dark purple, and then you have this little purple marbled bead with some sequins. Thank you, Maria. Oh my gosh, girl, thank you so much. This was so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. She has more flowers for me because she didn't give me enough flowers, guys. So she's got some pink ones in here and some blue ones in here. Look at this aqua blue. That is gorgeous. These are paper flowers that she shared with me. Thank you so much. Those are gorgeous. And then she shared some beautiful trim. What? Where did you get this hula skirt? This is beautiful. All the pastel-y colors that you can think of is on here. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Maria. That is so much. Oh my goodness. She even gave me ribbon. Oh my goodness. And rickrack. Oh my goodness. What in the... How much can you fit in this thing? Look at this one. It's white with an icy blue and silver trim. Oh my goodness. I don't think I could get it back in there. This is some pink pom-pom trim. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. And guys, holy smokes, look at this big mama jumper right here. Giant rickrack. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to go buy a shelf. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, guys, so now, uh-oh, that one was stuck in there. There she has some beautiful flowers, layered, diamond dusted. Oh, look at those leaves. Diamond dusted flowers. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. They're embossed. The petals have embossing on them. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Little silver leaves underneath there. Can you see it peeking through? Iridescent. Oh my gosh, how in the world did you put this in here? How'd you get it back in there? I don't know. There it goes. Oh, this is so pretty and so delicate. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. And then these, speaking of delicate, I'm just peeking at what's in this little pocket right here. Oh my god. You guys. Are you kidding me, Maria? These are layered die-cut flowers. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at these flowers. Are you kidding? How gorgeous are these? These are layered. Triple decker. Beautiful. You are beautiful in every single way. I cannot sing to whole save my life. Oh my gosh. All these layers and glitters and blings. Oh my gosh. How in the world, lady? How did you do this? This is crazy. This is 3 months worth of work, guys. I need to get started. Like, seriously, on her birthday. I hope she put her birthday on here because, oh my gosh. I'm going to get you back, girl. This is crazy, Maria. Honey. Oh my gosh, I knew it. I couldn't get it back in. Oh my god. Oh, stay right there, okay? Stay right there. And then she has on the side here. Oh no, Eileen. Did you just do that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Look, I'm so sorry, hun. I pulled on the wrong thing and it kind of snapped that little wreath right there, but it doesn't really show. Look at that. It says BU. Gorgeous layers. She's got the wreath that she shared. She's got a rosette, and she has another silver wreath and another rosette and this beautiful butterfly. That is so crazy thick. And then she has the silver threading underneath. Such perfect details. Like, look at all of that. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Girly. This is just amazing, beautiful work. This, I can't imagine. I can't. I'm trying to imagine, but I can't. Oh my god. What? Look at these rosettes. Look at that one. It says lovely spring with this cute little snail. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, a rosette, a scallop circle, a rosette, and then you have the umbrella and the snail. Gorgeous. And then you have this one, and it has the crepe paper rosette and the wreath. And look at the silver string threads and these another rosette. Oh my gosh, another rosette. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. How do you, oh my, I don't know anymore. I have not enough words. This gorgeous rosette back here, and then you have another wreath layer, another rosette, and you have this floral bouquet behind it. Oh my gosh, a heart, and then this gorgeous little bird. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh girly, this is insane. How did you let all these beautiful rosettes and everything go? Like, okay, I'm definitely not gonna be able to put this back in. Oh no. This is so crazy. I don't know how you did it, girl. How'd you get it in there? Maybe like that. Okay. Let's face the birdie down. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. There's so many. Oh my god. This is insane, woman. Insane. Whoops. Oh my gosh. None of it's gonna go back in the way it came out. Oh my god. And her vending machine is so sturdy. I wonder what kind of cardstock you used, because mine was not bad, but you know, this is super sturdy. And she's got silver stitching, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Didn't even show all that. Look at that. Amazing. All right, let's get into her memory decks because we're already at 12 minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see. Let's see. It says memory decks. So here we go. Alrighty. We're getting there. We're getting there. Of course. Loving, loving, loving this purple. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at her card. Whoops, that was just the back. Oh my god. That was just the back, guys. Here is the front of her memory decks card. Look at all this yumminess. She has a circle memory decks card. It looks like it was supposed to be like a crystal ball. And she has a stack of 3 pumpkins here. And oh my gosh, did you Nuvo drop these guys? I don't know what collection this is. This one says Eek. Oh, so spooky. I love how she used the frame around the 2 of them. And then there's some ghosts right here and all the lovely bats all the way around, guys. Beautiful orange flowers. This is so beautiful. Look at the little teeny tiny star right there. Oh my gosh. And her Nuvo drops. I see it here. I see it here. Her little candy corn. Look at the little ghost thief peeking from the back. And there's some more Nuvo drops. Beautiful stars here. And there's this little guy trying to get in on the fun. And so here's the back. Here's the ghosts here. She's got a little flag here. It says beware and boo to you. Look at her layer. Oh wow. And she's got a spider web here. More Nuvo drops. I'm still working on my little Nuvo drop circle. So I'm working on it. More Nuvo drops in this little tiny leather bow. Let's see what she has to say. It says trick or treat 2020, little bit about me, Maria Snook, Scrapbook Nut 2002. Instagram is Maria Snook. Her birthday is July 6th. And her favorite paper brand is Prima and Maggie Holmes. And her favorite color combo is pink, aqua, mint. Nice. Favorite thing to make any kind of embellishments. I see. And then she's got must-have tools are Silhouette Cameo and Cricut die cutting machines. Oh my gosh, just all 3. That is so cute, Maria. I love, love, love your memory decks card. Oh my gosh. And then it just says Happy Halloween. Oh my goodness. So much to look at, so much to learn. And her card is really sturdy, guys. Oh my gosh. All this gorgeousness and bam! Halloween! So beautiful, Maria. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the hard work and time that you put into all of this. This has been so amazing to open and so overwhelming at the same time. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate every single item you've sent to me because you used your time, your creativity to make something and give it to me. Give it up to me. Do I deserve it? I don't know. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.